Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now.
Goan Dal Curry combines nutritious lentils with a vibrant orange Goan coconut curry paste, creating a warm and comforting dish that's truly outstanding. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing with you one of my mother's cherished recipes, which also happens to be my personal favorite. The smooth texture of the lentils perfectly complements the rich and aromatic spices of the curry, delivering an authentic taste of Goan cuisine. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious Goan Dal curry. Step 1. Preparing the dal. Take around 1.5 cups or 375 grams of red lentil, which is also called masoordal. You can also use yellow lentils or tur dal if you prefer. Wash the dal 5 to 6 times properly until you get almost clear water. Soak the dal for around 30 minutes. Soaking the dal will help it cook faster. Take half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. On medium heat, in an open thick bottom pan, add the soaked dal. Add 5.5 cups of water. Stir everything nicely. Cover the pan and cook it for some time until the foam starts appearing on the top. Skim off the foam that rises to the surface with a spoon. Now add the salt. Add the turmeric or haldi powder. Stir everything properly. Cover the pan partially and cook for around 25 to 30 minutes or until the dal becomes soft. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Stir occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the pan and add water if required. You can pressure cook the dal but adjust the water accordingly. Once the dal has become soft, put the heat off and set it aside. The dal is now ready. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. For the curry paste, take 1-inch ball of tamarind in a bowl. Add half cup or 125 ml of warm water to it. Take 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, 8 Kashmiri red chilies which are mildly spicy and 2 Bedgi red chilies which are medium spicy. Break the red chilies into pieces. Discard the stems and the seeds that fall out. Take half-inch piece of ginger. Cut it into pieces. 6 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut them into pieces. Take half teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. For cooking, take 2 medium-sized onions. Cut them fine. 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Cut them fine. 2 medium-sized green chilies. Cut them into 2 and then slit them. 4 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut them fine. 20 to 25 curry leaves or curry patta. Take 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Half teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. 2 pinches of asafoetida or hing powder. 2 teaspoons of salt. 1 tablespoon of ghee. Step 3. Preparing the curry paste. In a mixer grinder, add the soaked tamarind along with the water. Add the red chilies. Add the garlic, ginger. Add the grated coconut. Add the coriander seeds, cumin or jeera seeds. Add 1 cup or 250 ml of water. Grind it to a very fine paste or the curry will feel coarse or grainy. Add little more water if required while grinding. Curry paste is ready. Step 4. Preparing the dal curry. On medium heat, in an open thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil or any other regular cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start spluttering, add the cumin or jeera seeds. Once the cumin or jeera seeds start spluttering, add the garlic pieces. Add asafoetida or hing powder. Stir everything nicely. Add the curry leaves or curry patta and stir. After a minute, add the finely cut onions. Stir everything properly. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the bottom of the pan. Once the onions turn translucent, add the slit green chilies and stir. Now add the tomatoes. Stir everything nicely. If needed, add little water to soften the tomatoes faster. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Onions and tomatoes have to be fully mashed before adding the curry paste or the curry will feel coarse. Once done, add the curry paste. Stir everything nicely. Cook it for around 1 to 2 minutes. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Use half cup or 125 ml of water to rinse the paste left in the mixer and add it now. Mix everything nicely. Add another half cup or 125 ml of water to prevent the curry paste from sticking to the pan. Cook for around 6 to 7 minutes. After around 6 to 7 minutes, once the curry is boiling, add the cooked dal with its water. Mix everything properly.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
The curry should neither be too thick nor too thin. Check the consistency and add water if required. Now add the remaining 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir well and let it simmer for around 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to blend. Check for salt and add more if required as per your taste preference. Now add the ghee. This will add that extra bit of flavor to the dal curry. Once the dal curry is boiling, put the heat off. Delicious Goan Dal Curry is ready. This delicious dal curry is perfect when served with steamed rice or traditional Goan poi or chapati. It's the ideal choice for a nutritious and satisfying meal. If you like this recipe, do share it with your friends and family members you think will love this recipe. Stay blessed always.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.